Have you ever wondered what goes into KFC's original recipe? Or what the Coca-Cola formula is? Well, you'll probably never know, and neither will we, because they're trade secrets. A trade secret is a know-how, or information that you don't want anyone else to access, because it gives you a competitive edge. It can be technical, like manufacturing processes, source codes, recipes, or formulas, or commercial, like distribution methods, lists of clients, or customer engagement data. Trade secrets are one of the most important types of IP for businesses because they prevent anti-competitive business behaviors and thus ensure fair competition. If KFC didn't hide its recipe, or if Coca-Cola's formula was out in the open, for example, you can bet that they would be copied in a minute. You don't have to be a global giant to own trade secrets, but not everything can be one. To qualify as a trade secret, your information must be known to only a few people, have commercial value because it's secret, and be protected proactively. No need for registration. It's a do-it-yourself process, as long as you take active measures like NDAs, firewalls, and many other tools. Anyone who steals your trade secret can be held liable in court. You can learn more about protective measures in our infographic, by the way. Now, there's nothing you can do to prevent someone from developing similar information independently, but you can take measures today to ensure that no one discloses your trade secret, even by accident. Innovate with confidence. Protect your IP.